Okay, today we'll talk about the Next.js middleware. So first of all, we need to know what is middleware. In Next.js 15 or 14, middleware is a powerful tool for running code before request is completed. It acts like an intermediary that intercept request and perform operations such as authentication, redirect, or custom logic before the actual page or API route is executed. So what is middleware in Next.js? Middleware is a function Next.js 15 that runs as runtime a serverless environment. It allows you to modify the request and response object or even respond with a completely different response without requiring a full server-side API handler or rendering logic. You define middleware Next.js 14 by creating a middleware.js or middleware.js file at the root of your page or app directory. The middleware function is executed whenever a request matches your defined routes. So why middleware is needed? Authentication and authorization, redirection, rate limiting or security, localization, custom response. So basically this speech is bookish or technical terms. So if I talk in layman term, this is very easy. You see, if we create a page, say in the app, I am creating a page dashboard. Dashboard. So dashboard means it is restricted only for the admin privileged users. Okay. Why dashboard? From where it came? Okay. I'm deleting once again. So we have no dashboard page. So I'm creating a brand new dashboard page. Okay. Dashboard, and this is the convention page.tsx. So RAFC, this is dashboard page. Okay. So if I go over here, localhost dashboard, this is dashboard page. So I can or anybody can access these routes or page, but does it make sense? Dashboard means it must be restricted. If not, everyday user will get access to this page. Only those who have the admin privilege or those who are the staff of a company, only they can get access to this page. So it is nonsense. It makes no sense that everybody will get access to this page. So it will not make any sense. So we need to restrict this route. So if anybody uh, tries to navigate to that page, he will be redirected or restricted. Okay. So how can we do that? And not only that, in the app API routes, so if we create a API and say its name is API admin, so this is for admin. It must have admin privilege. Not everyone can access to this page. Admin and route.ts. So I'm creating a bare minimum route. Say this is admin API. Even I can navigate to the page, say API admin. This is admin API. So it does not make sense also, because this should have admin privilege and only admin can have the power or ability to get access to this page. Not normal ordinary user or everyday user can get access to the page. If they can access, they will manipulate. Site could be hacked. and malicious or anything can happen. It can destroy your entire system. Okay, so it doesn't make sense. So anyhow, we have to restrict this page. Only those who have the admin privilege, they can access to the page. So how can we do that? So in the Next.js or Express.js, we have created middleware. Here is also middleware, but in a different way, as it is serverless as routes. So in the source folder or in the root folder, we need to create a file. Its name is middleware.ts. Okay. So in the middleware, as it's giving error middleware. So I have to write something. Okay. So export function middleware request next request and we need const url equal to request next URL. Okay, so we will see by console logging later. So say if the user has no token, we will restrict him. So for restricting, we are using token. Later we'll discuss on that, but right now, as the user will not have token, as because we have not created the token functionality here. So headers dot get, if they have no authorization token, then he'll be restricted. Return next response. We will redirect the user, as he has no token. We will redirect the user. We know he has no token, so we redirect to the new URL login and URL origin. Okay, and finally we will return if they have token next response dot next, and then for restricting the routes we'll declare matchers. Export const config matcher. If they match, they will allow, otherwise not. So what routes we wanna restrict? It is dashboard path, all path. Okay, so I am showing you, first of all, I am showing you the route, then I will show you API. So I hope everything is all right. You can console log URL over here, console.log. So if I try to, creating a new dashboard. So I cannot go to the dashboard. Previously I was able to go to the dashboard, but this time they are redirecting me to the login page. Boom, it's working. They're redirecting. Okay, you cannot able to go to the dashboard. You see, you cannot. So all routes starting with the dashboard will be prevented. Okay, so now create for routes also. Still now we can navigate to the say API. I'm showing you API admin. What's his name? I have the route API admin. So route. Yeah, I can still get access. So what is the problem? Oh, sorry, app. I have written app. It should be API. So still I can get the access. So if I restrict over here, then I will not able to get over here and restrict the API. Say API admin path, all path. Okay, let's see. It is redirecting me to the login page. I am trying once again. API admin. I cannot go, but previously I was able to go. So I hope you got my point. So I am restricting the dashboard. Every page starting with dashboard, you see dashboard, and every routes, every API routes starting with admin is being restricted. So they are not allowed to get into that page. Only those who have the admin privilege, they can get access up to that place. And I told you to show you the URL. You see header.get URL. I mean URL origin. You see this is logging URL origin. This is origin. Okay, this is origin. So by middleware, the writing process of middleware is a bit different than the next Node.js or Express.js. So we can able to redirect them to login page or register page. Whatever you write, it will be redirected. And our routes or API routes are totally protected from the hackers. No one can get in. Only those who have the admin privilege. Later we will create a role like admin, super admin. Based on that, they will able to get into this. But right now, only those who have the admin privilege, they will be able to get into these routes. Okay, thank you very much. If you don't like the video, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you don't understand, let me know. Thank you very much. See you soon.